Okay, so I'm helping someone align their columns and height elevations for a shed for them. Now, you can normally put these sonotubes all the way in the ground, or you can just dig your holes, put your sonotubes, your concrete in, cut these sonotubes up to smaller lengths, put that on top of into your concrete, and now you'll save yourself a big dollars. Besides that, you don't have to worry. You're not packing soil back in around this tube, which of course makes a weakened interface with the column and the earth. Now that's a solid filled around there with concrete. Same thing will happen here and a few places. So you just cut the tube. Now you need to cut them square because you want the tops to be done correctly. So you level that one off with the one on the end there. I used a laser level. I was going to bring my transit board the wrong one, so it's the laser. It kind of goes beep 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 for you guys. So that's beep 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 on that one, beep 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 on that one, and then this one you just throw in and bring it up to the concrete in, and slip this under there, get it right with the level with the string, and then level two directions with the 4-foot level or 2-foot level. All right, that's it. Those are expensive. How about if you had some extra buckets hanging around? If you had some extra buckets hanging around, like this bucket now seems to be trashed. There's mixing in there. Let's just skip over that part. You simply cut the bottom of the bucket out. Cut the bucket, Sawzall, and you now have not one but two tubes. You can now put for your foundation. You have the same thing. You got a wider base. This bucket tapers a little bit, but you're still good. But you cut this bucket in half, and you cut that off, cut a hole in there, and now you've got you Sawzall around here. Well, if you want to, you can just chop it off, but you can Sawzall it. Cut it in half, and you have two sonotubes. So your paint buckets and all that stuff like that you have around the house, for you contractors, don't throw them out. If you need to do some piers like this, don't buy these expensive sonotubes. Those paint buckets are your sonotubes. You can use, if you got a bunch of them, you can, if you want to so desire, you can put it in pretty deep. You know what? I don't get the purpose of that. It's just for leveling above grade there. That this is all about. All right, so that's my tip for you guys. I don't know which channel to put this on. Maybe I'll put it on both. But tips on how to save money and not buy these, but to buy these. Okay, I like Lowe's. They give the military discount. So not these, but buy use your old paint buckets and etc. for your tubes. Take care. Hope that was helpful for you guys. Oh, pre-mixed concrete. It's pre-mixed. No reason to beat it up and drill it forever. It just needs water added to it. In fact, drilling it, mixing it in that capacity could separate your materials. Segregate your stone and your paste. You don't want to do that. All right, bye.